Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do on this episode is give you a Cardano ADA price prediction. So we're going to talk about that, a little bit of where we're at in the market, specifically regarding Cardano. So I did do a recent video sharing with you my $8 price prediction. Guys, comment down below. Do you still think we're going to get to $8? Height of the bull market. I'm assuming summer 2025. So guys, like, comment, subscribe. You guys know what to do. Nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. You're listening to a moose. And of course, he's been wrong sometimes. Hashtag Meld. So by the way, I did do a Meld video. So that's going to be uploading today. I got a new haircut thinking, oh, let's talk about Trump getting in and the market's going nuts, and that unfolds. So Meld is shutting down. It didn't work out. Ultimately, it came down to two things, according to them. That, what is it? Not enough user adoption, so people weren't using it. I mean, I wasn't supplying a lot of liquidity. Not that it's worth anything anymore. And then just investors bailed out because of that. So a lot of things intertwined. And I gave you guys my opinions on that. So for those of you that were commenting, it's a rug, it's a rug. Well, it did fail. So I don't know how much of it was, Ken's fault or anybody else. I've never been paid by Meld. I've just been covering them here on the channel. And I really like the product. I think it's still cool. But unfortunately, the project's shutting down. So we're not going to see that come to fruition. So let's talk about ADA. So guys, ADA Cardano, Layer 1 blockchain, and man, like, this is looking good for alts. And, we're at this point where, we got a Republican in, and it looks like from the US side, it's going to be pro-crypto for the next 4 years. Bitcoin should perform extremely well. We're already seeing that. Now, once Bitcoin performs well, we're looking at a 60% dominance, and that may continue for a little bit more. I don't know. We're speculating a bit. But as it unfolds and you're starting to see it, altcoins are going to pump. And I just talked about that in the $8 price prediction video. So check it out. I'm not sure exactly what I said in that video, but regarding Cardano, I said that what we're going to see is that liquidity that's in Bitcoin, it's going to start to flow into Ethereum, then into other alts. So Cardano's doing good. I think it was up 15% here. So 45 cents. And Cardano's building slow. And it's a powerful layer 1 that hasn't been in a bull market with smart contracts, right? With all these DEXs. And it's just becoming more scalable as we go, more interoperable, right? I'm kind of curious to know what you guys think. Do you guys think that this Bitcoin OS news is going to be a big deal? Is that even needed for Bitcoin? That I'm not sure. I've been thinking about it. I kind of like the idea. I like the idea of interoperability with blockchains, providing more scalability even for Bitcoin is cool, allowing it to do different things. But you know what? Bitcoin is the one thing that just hasn't gone away. So the more I learn about crypto, the more I've seen, especially recently, right? We're talking about Meld. And just because something seems like a good idea, there's a lot of things that have to work. The team has to be good. You can't have people messing with the markets. And it comes down to, are people going to believe it or not, right? So just because you have a good idea doesn't mean it's always going to work. And that's the reality. Cardano does have a good community. So that's a big part of it, right? You need a strong community. You need people to get excited about a project. And yeah, that's kind of the way I think about it. ADA, for somebody to think that it's not going to go beyond previous all-time highs, I think that's crazy. Because look at what's happened since the height of the market. Yeah, it crashed down, but that's because Bitcoin crashed down and, hopium was over, it was COVID related, etc. Alonzo upgrade was around here. So this enabled dApp developments on Cardano. And then here we had the Vassal upgrade, so scalability, etc. Smart contracts, more efficient, cost effective. Then we saw Marlowe is released. And then we have like governance, etc. So here we've also had Bitcoin in their ETFs, multiple ETFs. We now have large institutions buying up Bitcoin. And, you know, as Bitcoin is limited, it, in my opinion, it offers more opportunity for Cardano to grow and do better. Because you have these general blockchains that are proof of stake, that are energy efficient. They're just going to scale, get better. You're going to have Hydra and just you're going to be able to see all these things grow, crypto gaming, etc. on these chains. They're going to become more valuable, right? So that's what I'm excited about. I'm excited for that future. So again, I've been let down this last week. I'm sure some of you have been as well. But I still understand the vision of Cardano. I think it's going to be very prosperous. I just ruined the whole video right now. But yeah, what do you guys think? Comment down below. What price do you think ADA is going to get to by the end of the year and your bull run price prediction? I think we're going to get to $8. If anything, I'm probably even more bullish now. I'm just kind of feeling that way. So guys, check out my other videos. I've got tons going on here. 660 videos. This is 661, I believe. So guys, also check out the link tree. Pick up a Tangem or a Tangem wallet or the Tangem ring. So you have all these nice options. Under $50, you can still get your Tangem card. So protect your crypto. If you guys have a significant amount and you want a non-custodial cold wallet, this is the way to go. I also have my Tangem ring. This thing's awesome. So with that being said, guys, the moose is loose. Comment down below your Cardano price predictions. Whatever thoughts you have regarding the chain. So we're going to be covering a lot of other blockchains as well. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.